There, have you ever wondered what it's like to have your first chiropractic adjustment, or maybe you're a little nervous and not sure what to expect? Come on in, I'll show you the highlights. The first thing is, I'll ask you to sit and share your story with me. What's going on? How can I help you? Then we'll always do a computerized scan, which involves the assessment of your nervous system. We'll follow that up with digital range of motion. And the third main thing we're gonna do is on this table where we do some basic testing, and that's where I get to feel your spine, see what's happening there. We're gonna talk about what we find, what we discover that day, and then if chiropractic is appropriate for you, we'll also make sure you get your first adjustment, which will be easy and painless. So if you're nervous, no worries, we've got your back. Avis Family Chiropractic, Farmington, Arkansas.